Hello there. How's it going?
Good.
Come on in.
So we're at the surprise right now, guys. No, I have no clue what we're doing. So
Oliver, what is
say it's the YouTube channel again. I brought it here.
Okay, guys. So what we're gonna do
And make our own food.
is make our own food tonight. We're gonna make pizza. You guys are gonna make your own pizza. Just wait. The best thing is we need certain things to make pizza, though, right? Yeah. Let's go. Just wait. Take it. There's one for you.
Do I look like
You gotta put your apron on first. Put your apron on. Here you go. Here's a hat.
Want to see something funny? Someone? I'm under arrest. Why am I under arrest? Someone help me!
You're crazy. Woo! Charlie! And Jackson!
We have our own too.
And all!
So,
And us!
we also get them.
Woo!
So we get our own too. We're gonna put on ours too.
I found both.
See? Just like you guys. Do it up.
What are we? What are we?
You guys are chefs. We're all chefs tonight. Okay, guys, pick a chair. Let's go to the chairs.
To the
Let's go to the
chairs!
chairs, guys. Pick a chair quick. Doesn't matter which one. They're all the same. Okay, come on. Go in there, Jackson. Go in there.
Are we
Go
making
farther.
little pizzas?
We're gonna make regular pizzas. Yeah, come on.
I got this.
You're gonna make your own personal
Ooh,
pizzas.
yummy soup.
Okay,
We got
so
a spoon.
just one sec. I'm
Ooh,
gonna
this
get
thing's
something here real
small.
quick.
Oh, flour.
Oh, don't touch stuff. Just wait, guys. Who's excited?
One more.
Me!
Nice.
Perfect.
Okay.
Me!
Let me get this. Really get the water ready for you.
And 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically,
It's hot.
First thing we need to do is grab the red cup and pour that into our bowls. Here you go, buddy.
Bear.
Red
Go
cup
drink
goes
that.
into the
Put this
bowl.
red here, take
A
this
what?
and dump it in.
All of it.
Yep, there you go.
Dump it in there.
Give me the cup.
Pass the cup,
Pass
grab
the
the James.
cup. Pass the cup. Pass the cup. Nice.
Good
Okay,
job.
Just wait for me. Hold on.
Don't put your fingers in it. Wait, guys, wait.
Okay, guys. Next thing we gotta do is take the blue cup and pour it in. Can you pour that in?
I did it. Now
Okay.
we start stirring.
And start mixing it slowly. Yep.
Don't get it out of the bowl.
Okay,
Careful.
perfect.
Grab
cups.
a spoon.
Yep, take your spoons and start mixing it. Yep, stir it up.
This
There you
already
go,
smells
there you go.
pizza-y.
Yep, pizza, pizza, pizza. There we go. Nice. Yeah, you're doing good. Look
Stir away,
at that.
Jackson. Stir away, buddy.
Nice.
Hey, look.
Stir it. Get it in
Okay.
there.
Watch this. I need my pizza.
There you go, buddy. Stir it up good. Get all the stuff in there.
Mix
Yep.
it up good.
Yep, make sure you get all the dough.
So fast.
Okay, we're doing good.
They just said that's cute.
It's gonna be messy. And make it into a ball. Okay, make it into a ball. Can you do that?
Go into it.
Reach inside and make it into a ball. Reach in and make it a ball. Can you do it? Wanna try it? Here you go, make it a ball.
Ew, it smells just
I'm
Wanna
doing
do that?
good.
Go ahead. Go ahead and squish it. Squish it in there.
Push it. Push it.
Squishy. Make a big ball. Yeah, there you go.
I made a big ball. It's
Okay,
huge.
yep.
It's huge.
Okay,
I
pretty
made
big.
a ball.
Okay, you guys got
Keep
balls
going.
made?
Keep making a ball.
There we go.
Yeah.
This table is
We need
so
some help
messy.
here. Oh, it's okay. We're gonna clean it later. It's all part of the fun.
Pa.
Sometimes you gotta make a little mess to make a little
You
fun.
want me to eat
Okay,
that?
so what we're gonna do now
Oh.
is we've gotta cover all of these for 10 minutes. Okay? And let the dough rise a bit. And then you guys come back. So take off your
I totally didn't
Right.
just try to take a little bite.
So take off your hats and your aprons and put them on your chair. Get off first.
And we'll be back in 10.
A few moments later.
Grab it out and put it on there.
Already on
And we're back.
No, No, don't tip it up. Just take it out. Use
Look,
it.
I'm already on a
Use this little guy. Okay, so push it down.
Push it down.
Make it into a pizza. Push it down.
Push it flat.
Yep,
Push it flat.
Squish it. Squish it. Squish it. Squish it.
My pizza's almost
Yep.
done.
Squishy,
This
squishy,
is like a
squishy.
pizza.
Yeah.
Everybody is almost done.
Push it up. Keep going.
Flatten it out there, Jackson. Good job.
Yep, make it flat. Turn around.
Don't leave that stuff in there.
Flip it
It's
over.
okay. You'll have vlogs there.
Yeah, there you go. Now
Yeah.
good. Wow, good job, Oliver. Here, we'll help you out. You want to do some more? Keep pushing it. Yeah, there we go.
Nice
Crown
and fat.
pizza.
Good job.
Pinch the edges of the pizza. Make a little ridge around the outside. Okay.
Daddy,
Yeah,
okay.
Pinch and make it.
See
Yeah,
what
there
I'm
you
doing
go.
here?
Good
Just pinch
job.
it.
Sticky.
You gotta make a little ridge so it
Make a
holds
little
everything
ridge.
in.
Beep, beep.
It just holds it all in. See? Like that. There we go. Is that good? How are you doing?
Yeah,
Don't do it too big. Just a little ridge.
Lift it up. Lift it up.
Just like pinch it with your fingers.
Sorry, I took a plate cut. I did
Let's
it.
flip it over.
Papa James, I did it.
Yeah,
You got a little bit more and then you'll be perfect.
This is so doughy.
Got pizza. Perfect.
Wet.
Perfect. Perfect.
We'll get it. Okay.
This
Next,
picture's
what we're doing is
Chef Papa
sauce.
James.
I think we're missing some spoons.
Hold on, we're not just gonna pour it all on
Short
the
spoons.
much.
No, we don't want to pour it all on because it's a lot. Okay, watch what we're doing. We're gonna go like this. Take that spoon and put some on there. Yep, put it right on there.
Are you watching, you guys? Are you watching?
Look at.
Hey, see how much?
You put some on. Take a couple of 3 scoops. And spread it around. Yeah, spread
Perfect.
it around. Spread it around now, Tommy. Yeah, spread it all over the pizza. Here you go. Go ahead. Spread it. There we go.
Put it on there and
There. Good
Charlie's
job.
just a textbook chef here. Look at that.
Look at you go, buddy. Nice job.
Good job, Jackson. Looks
Jackson,
good.
a couple more scoops. 2 more scoops.
All the
in
way
there.
around, Oliver. Good job,
You
buddy.
can add a bit more all over, probably.
Is that gonna be yummy?
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, that's good. Spread it around now.
Looks
Just on
good.
the edges. Don't let it go over the edges, right? So like this.
That looks good.
No more, no
Okay.
more.
Do you guys want spices? A little bit of spices.
Yeah.
It's not hot.
No, thank you.
It's
Oliver, it's not hot.
No,
It just makes it taste like
It's just
pizza.
a flavor.
No, thank you. Yes, please. No,
Good call,
thank you.
Yeah, Jackson, just take a pinch. Take a
Just
pinch.
take a pinch.
And go like this.
It's not hot.
I'm not having any.
It's not hot. It's just like a regular cheese
Promise,
pizza.
it makes it taste good. It's not.
just like a regular cheese pizza.
Cheese.
Hold on,
Just
hold on. Oliver, put a little bit on yours as well.
Yeah,
just helps
a
it cook.
pinch. It's just a pinch.
Yeah.
This is
No.
okay.
There you go.
Ah,
There we go.
It's not. There's no
It's
spiciness.
not spicy or anything.
Now cheese.
look what I made.
There we go. Perfect. Okay,
I made pizza.
we're good so far. Now we gotta. Oh, you did some. Go ahead. Start putting the cheese on.
Put the cheese
All
on.
over the top.
Whatever you want. However much you want.
Pile it on. Yep. There you go. Go for it. Do it.
me
Tommy,
go.
You can dump it on there. Like, just don't pour it on. But don't. You pick it up.
No,
No,
no.
don't dump it, Charlie. Just pick it up with
Pick it up your hands. There you go.
Lots on. Yep. There we go.
Oliver, you going for an Italian style there? No cheese
There
on it?
we go.
Oh, you love cheese. Put it on there.
Good job. Okay, you're all done. Good
Look at
job.
Tommy's
Tommy's
pizza.
done already.
Look
Wow.
at mine.
Looking good. Go for it. Keep
Look
more-
at mine.
Perfect. Keep going. Keep going.
Get more going. We're gonna put those in the oven right away. Good job. Yeah.
Tommy beats
Good
them
job.
all.
Good
Jackson
job,
done.
Jackson.
High five.
You got enough cheese there, Oliver? You're good. You just gotta spread it around a bit more.
Pieces.
Yeah, that's good.
So guess what that means, guys?
A few moments later.
It's so hot.
One for
Who's
you.
excited for their pizza? Okay.
Me.
Wow, I think you guys excited.
Dig in.
Bite.
It's hot. Yummy.
Yeah, probably hot.
Bro. And eat.
It's a bit hot. Yeah.
Yum.
How is it, Oliver?
Now can I have some ranch?
No.
How's yours, Jackson?
No!
How's yours, Charlie?
Good.
How's yours, Tommy? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect.
Alexa.
I guess that puts a wrap on the pizza lunch. Pizza dinner. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Nice, guys.
One person had fun?
What happened?
Jackson, did you have fun? Why are you pouting?
Look at this.
Jackson, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
How about you, Oliver?
I had so much fun.
Perfect.
Nice.
It's so
Sweet.
hot. I never cooked in my life.
Just blow on it.
I never cooked in my life.
All right. Say, see you next time.
See you next time. See you next time.
Peace.
Peace.
Do
Looks delicious,
There we go.
Daddy. Dip
Eat,
it.
Tommy.
This is some pretty good pizza, guys.
I can't.
You have to go get some more. Just saying. Gotta go down to the cellar.
I got